Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and it's a bi-monthly subscription box. And you're not going to see the label because my address is on the back here. But it's the Natural Wellness Box. So if you're new to this subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their September-October box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Natural Wellness Box is gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'll pop a link to the subscription down below in my description. Plus they've given me a code which you're welcome to use for 10% off. And that is Diary10. You'll find that down there as well. This is a bi-monthly subscription based in the UK and they ship to Europe. It costs £38 a box and that includes shipping within the UK, and shipping out of the UK is an additional £9.95. You are able to purchase a one-off box for £42 if you don't want to commit to a subscription. These boxes are cruelty-free, vegan and contain clean beauty skincare. Their aim is to make you feel healthy from the inside out. So inside you might find supplements, beauty treats and also some healthy snacks as well. Every month you will find between 5 to 7 products. Plus if you go onto their website you are able to purchase pass boxes. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside this really heavy box this month. So this is what it looks like inside. It comes with a leaflet detailing everything about the products and the theme, so I'll read that in a little while. Then we've got a little leaflet here, usually related to one of the products in the box. I haven't opened it up yet. I want to save it for the video. Oh my word! Ooh. I can see a sweet treat. Something wrapped up there. You're not going to see much, but we'll get into it now. It says, when you think of autumn, you think of cozy nights in, crisp weather, perfect for walking and beautiful autumn scenery. It's also the time of year when the colder weather can start to affect our skin. Immune systems need a little boost and we start to seek comfort and warmth indoors. Our Nurture collection includes everything you need to nurture your mind, body and skin for the months ahead. We have chosen beautiful nurturing products to help you feel cozy and nourished and ready to head into the colder months and darker nights. Enjoy feeling nurtured until the next collection. Catherine, the founder. First up, I'm intrigued. What's in here? Is it a candle? No, it's not. This is Malco, if I said that right. It's a new brand for me. It's magnesium spirulina, bath salt and scrub, and we've got 250 mils here. So a huge pot. Bath scrub. Oh, I love the fact that it's got magnesium and it contains Dead Sea salt and Himalayan salt, delivering a triple action effect. They soothe and recover your body and skin health during a relaxing bath and can be used as a scrub in an invigorating shower. Okay, what do you smell like then? Ooh, it just looks like green coloured sugar. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh my word, that smells gorgeous. It smells super lemony. I've got to be careful because look, it's literally green coloured sugar. Oh wow. Oh, that's so nice. The recommended retail price for this scrub is £24. The magnesium spirulina bath salt and scrub contains a combination of 3 powerful healing salts: magnesium flakes, Dead Sea salt and Himalayan pink salt, delivering a triple action effect. They soothe, detox and recover your body and skin health during a relaxing bath or in an invigorating shower. A dry, high magnesium solution that can be enjoyed as a detoxifying bath salt or mixed with any oil to create revitalized body scrub. We are going to be getting rid of our bath very soon, possibly before Christmas. So even though I know I can use that in the shower, I cannot wait to give that a go. In a bath, relax in a bath with the room. Oh yeah, that is lovely. Next we've got a product by Naya, and this is Everyday Day Cream Protect and Prevent with cacao oil, centella asiatica leaf extract and anti-blue light complex, and there's 50 mils here. The packaging, you might not be able to tell, is, oh yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? So it opens up like a flower. This is a day cream and it's made in Germany. It's taken a while to blend into my skin. You can see there's a bit of a white cast there, but when it blends in, yeah, it's lovely. is lovely. There's no whiteness there at all. So a nice luxurious day cream. The cost of the day cream is £56. You might remember that we featured the Naya Glow facial oil 2 years ago. Do you know what? When this opened, I thought, oh, I recognise this because very similar packaging. But I wasn't sure if I received a product in the natural wellness box or a different box. But yeah, it's very distinctive. And they've got beautiful little sloths on the side there. So yeah, so they featured a product 2 years ago, and we had so many of you rush out to buy more after finishing it. We are so pleased to be able to bring you another one of their amazing products. This lightly whipped replenisher moisturizer is supercharged with bioactive antioxidants, omegas and abundant levels of vitamin hydrates, which soothes and transforms your skin, instantly giving back your natural glow. In addition, Naya have also added 2% of blue light active to protect your skin from our modern devices. Suitable for all skin types, essential oil, silicone and fragrance free, vegan and cruelty free, and 100% non-GMO. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? It does sound amazing. I like the fact that it's got 2% blue light complex in there, because I'm always like this with my phone. Yeah. Next we got some supplements, and these are by Your Body. Natural turmeric, curcumin, I think that's how you say it, with pepper extract for absorption. 95% purity, gluten-free, delayed release, suitable for vegans. There's 60 capsules here. Take 1 to 2 capsules once a day, preferably at meal times. And the cost of this 2-month supply of supplements is £23.95. Curcumin, a compound of the well-known turmeric, is an anti-inflammatory immuno-boosting supplement that has a wide range of health benefits. Turmeric contains 3 curcuminoids, of which curcumin is the most active with the most health benefits. Due to the amazing benefits of turmeric and curcumin, they have been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. And then it goes on to telling you how to take it, and consult your doctor if you're taking any other medications or if you're pregnant and breastfeeding, etc. I love supplements. I take a lot of supplements, so I'm going to have to look into that because I am on medication for my hormones, polycystic ovary syndrome and thyroid. So there's some supplements that I can't have, unfortunately. But yeah, I'll look into that. Next, we've got something wrapped up. Oh, this is pretty. This is Salt and Steam, Not Today Satan, Eucalyptus and Rosemary, Salt Facial Steam, 200 grams. Oh, wow. I have not received anything like this before. Isn't that beautiful? Can you see there? So it's a facial steam product. Get naked, get salty. Add 2 tablespoons to a bowl of freshly boiled water. Drape a towel over your head and position your face around 30 centimeters above the bowl. Breathe deeply and relax. The cost of this facial steamer is £8.50. This cleansing and decongesting facial steam is packed with essential oils to clear your mind and body. These salts will lift your spirits and hydrate your skin to make you seriously glowy, even if you don't feel it. These facial steams are made from Salt and Steam's own blend of detoxifying dead sea salts and pink Himalayan rock salts to hydrate as the steam soothes your face. From organic flower waters and all natural essential oils to the prettiest petals, this facial steam is packed full of aromatherapy goodness. And then it goes into detail then, telling you how to use it and for how long. Oh, I can smell that straight away. I can smell the eucalyptus. Oh, that is amazing. It's so pretty. So you add 2 tablespoons, so that'll last quite a long while. Next, we've got Willie's apple cider vinegar with beetroot, naturally fermented, ready to drink. A BT boost packed with the juice of whole beetroot and a shot of Willie's apple cider vinegar, small, sweet and down to earth. We've had this before. I think we've had this before in the natural wellness box. I have tried it before. and I use apple cider vinegar every day if I can. I make my own salad dressing, like a Greek salad dressing, and yeah, I pop it in there. It's a shot, it's a health shot, £6.69. Your daily dose of apple cider vinegar has never been so easy to take. You will receive either an apple and ginger shot or apple and beetroot shot. Each shot contains live apple cider vinegar and a natural juice blend made from 300-plus-year-old untouched apple orchids that are home to 48 varieties of apples. Each shot is naturally fermented and ready to drink. Alright then, let's go for it. I'm expecting it to be... oh! But it's mixed with beetroot juice. It just smells like beetroot vinegar. Oh, alright then, okay. Oh, I can't. It's not as bad as I thought. Obviously because it's mixed with the beetroot juice. No, it's not as bad as I thought, but I can't drink it. It tastes as if it's going to be an amazing salad dressing. But actually just drinking it, I can't, unfortunately, not for me. But yeah, that's going to go on a salad for me tomorrow. Then we've got a sweet treat. This is a Lexi's plant-based protein blueberry bliss. 10 grams of protein, cruelty-free, oh my gosh, I hope so, gluten-free and vegan. So we've got a protein bar there. I won't be trying that, I'll save that as a little snack for me. It doesn't have an individual price, but you can purchase 12 for £17.99. Full of juicy real berries, crunchy high protein crispies, and a gorgeous sweet vanilla drizzle. It's packed with 10 grams of healthy protein and guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth with only 150 calories. Made with love by a smart startup business. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a tea. This is T plus vitamin T, apple and blackcurrant, and this is for beauty. Contributes to maintenance of hair and nails. Oh, I love the sound of that. To buy a pack of them, it'll cost you £7.99. Receive either vitamin C, vitamin D, beauty, CBD, sleep or energy tea plus. Each vitamin tea has been expertly blended to provide a powerfully nutritional dose of up to 100% of your daily vitamins plus herbs, fruit and tea. So those are all the items inside the September-October Natural Wellness box. I'll just go through it all, adding it all up, and I'll do a bit of a recap. So we've got a Malco, a bath, salt and scrub. We've got a Naya everyday moisturising cream. We've got Your Body natural turmeric curcumin supplements. We've got a salt and steam facial steam. We've got a drinkable Willie's apple cider vinegar with beetroot. We've got a Lexi's protein bar, and we've got a little tea sample, and I've got beauty. The cost of the box is £38 and it has a value of £124. I think I got that right. Way above the cost of the box this month. The products I am really excited about. The magnesium scrub and bath salts. They just smell amazing. I love the facial steam salts as well. The moisturising cream feels amazing on my skin, but it's packed full of goodies, including the blue light complex, which is a little bit different. The supplements I have to look into, as I do with all supplements, but yeah, I really like the snacks as well. The protein bar, the tea, the cider vinegar. I'm not going to drink that, as you know, but it's definitely going on a salad. So I'm so grateful to the Natural Wellness box for sending this box out to me. I think it is brilliant. I do really like this subscription. I definitely recommend checking this box out and looking on the website as well to see what past boxes have been like. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to the Natural Wellness box? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.